TradingView is an easy-to-use platform that helps you track stocks, charts, and trends in real time. You can follow expert traders, share ideas, and analyze the market all in one place. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your trading, it's a great tool to help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it's free to get started. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TradingView Complete Guide for Beginners. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into tradingview.com. You will find this page as you can see. So TradingView is a user-friendly platform where you can track stocks, view live charts, and analyze market trends as well. It's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering tools to make smart trading decisions. Plus, it's free to start using. All right. So once you sign up here at the top, so I'll show you firstly the step-by-step how you can sign up. I will just click over get started. We have also here various information that you have to know about this platform, which is TradingView. As you can see, news, markets, community, products. And once you click over sign up, you will find here this page, or get started. You'll find this page. You have just to click over sign up. But before, let's know here the package that we have in this platform. So firstly, we have two packages. The first one, which is essential, you have to pay $13 per month, and then we have a try free for 13 days about each one of this package. Then we have also here the features, which is two charts per tab, 5 indicators per shot, 10,000 historical bars, 20 price alerts, 28 technical alerts, 10 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, and indicators on indicators. All right. And you have just to pay $13 as I said, and for a year you have to pay $156 per year. Also we have here the second package, which is plus, and you have to pay $25 per month, which is $300 per year. And about the features, we have here four charts per tab. It's not like the first one, because the first one we have only 2 charts per tab, and we have 10 indicators, 10,000 in historical, then 100 technical. Also no ads, volume profile, custom time phrase. It's just like this one. We have bar replay, indicator on indicators, and also we have here chart data export, intraday, wrinkle, Geiger line, brick and point, and figure charts, and the last one, which is charts based on custom formula. All right, also we have here, and the last one, which is premium, we have to pay $50 per month, which is $600 per year. And right now we have here the features, which is 8 charts per tab. It's more than the second one and the first one. And we have also here indicators, historical bars, price alerts, technical alerts, parallel charts connection. We have no ads, volume profile. We have also here other things like those, the first one, the second one. But the thing that we have also, which is time price, opportunity, volume, footprint, other chart patterns, second base alerts that don't expire, publishing invite only scripts, and second based intervals. Also we have here in the top the professional one. You click over here to see the professional. We have a two, expert and ultimate. About this one you have to pay $200 per month. About this one you have to pay $500 per month. Yearly you have to pay $2,400 per month. About this one you have to pay $6,000 per year. Alright, so let's just come back right now. I will show you how you can sign up. You click over here right now and you'll find this page. You have to choose one of these options if you want to sign in with Google, or you have here Facebook again, or you have here Twitter, Yahoo, sign in with Apple, LinkedIn as well, or you can just click over here to add your email address, or you can just click over here if you already have an account. I already have an account, that's why I will click over sign in. Then I will click over here to add my account by clicking over sign in with Google, or you can use the option of email. I will just click over Shimo, then I will find my account as you can see. So it's very easy to sign up. You have just to follow the steps. So once you sign up for TradingView, you can start by exploring the main dashboard where you will see a variety of charts and stock trackers. Simply search for a stock or asset in the search bar and the chart for the asset will appear. You can customize the chart with different indicators, time frames, and drawing tools to analyze trends. You can also follow other traders, join discussions, and even share your own insights. It's all super intuitive and great for both beginners and pros. Alright, so right now all you have to do is just click over here to see your dashboard as you can see. So we have several things, and if we click over here, but the issue here we don't have the dashboard. So let's just select in here these options, and let's just selecting for example this one. I will click for example this one, and right now we'll find the dashboard. What is it? So let's just give it another try. We have community, trading ideas. Right, so here we have it. We have just to here use those options because it's very helpful to, for example, we have here cross on the top right left. We have also here trend line. About this one you have just to select which one you want. If it's try info line and other things, then we have also here fib retracement. We have also here pattern, long position, brush, text. We have icon, measure. We have also here, if we want to zoom in, here we have magnet mode, snaps drawing. We have here same drawing mode, lock all drawings, hide all drawings, and also we have here remove object if you want. Right, also we have here other things, right? For example, on the right we will find informatics details and news, alerts, data window, and we have here object tree and data window. My ideas, we have chats, ideas stream, notification as well. Then we have all here screeners, calendars, and we have phone help center. So we have some examples here, and if you want to get started in the next page where it's gonna be, so we have just to select like that, and here we have it right now, and here we have my trading, how it looks and how I expect that. So you can just right now add it by clicking over here in the top left, and you start trading view, right? So you have to know how you can how it works because you have to pay right now. So we have here also other options, and you have just to click over account. You'll find here home, hub center, notification, drama panel. If you want to make a dark theme. Then we have a language as well, keyboard shortcuts, get desktop application as well, right? So now we have just to get started, and here we have I will click over buy or I will click over sell. For example, I will click over buy, login for who we have how it looks right now. So you have here paper you use after you're connected to our trusted brokers. Once you click over sell or you click over buy, you'll find like that. You have to connect with people trading or forex.com, Bybit or IC market or other things. Here you can use the one you want, and you start opening the account and you start trading as well. So this is how it works with this platform. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very easy to do that, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.